This demo shows how to make a closed model hollow for saving the printing material and how to add a drain hole to get the excess material out. For this demo we use the dyno model, so let's open it first. For unit we use millimeters and select the print preparation mode because we know the model is correct already. To make the dyno model hollow, we first select it in the model tree and then start the hollow command. It's found in print preparation menu, hollow. When the hollow command started, it shows first the parameter window. For parameters, we select the wall thickness 4. That should be about right. And then we want the hollow direction be the inside of the model. When the parameters are set, we click OK. And looks like nothing happened, but because the hollowing was made inside, we have to use the clipping to see inside the model to see what actually happened. So we show the clipping window and choose, for example, Y direction. And looking there, we see that the model now has inside surface and it's hollow. We then reset the clippings and close the clipping window. Now we know that the model is hollow inside. The model could be now printed and the printer would add material only between those outer and inner surfaces. If we, however, use a powder-based machine or a liquid-based machine, the excess material would be left inside. And to get out that, we now need to add a drain hole. We want to add the drain hole to the dinosaur stomach side, so we first choose the viewing direction -z. Then we can start the drain hole command. It's also found in the print preparation menu. For the parameters, we use 15 as diameter and 9 for wall thickness. And then we want to make square shape hole. After setting the parameters, we can position the hole in the model, and that can be done with the left mouse button. When the position is selected, we click OK. The dyno model now have the drain hole, and it could be now printed, and we could get the excess material out from this drain hole. To still improve the model, it would be nice to print also a suitable plug for the hole, so that the hole could be filled after printing and taking the excess material out. With drain hole command that is not possible, but 3Data Expert has another command called hole tool, which can be used to create the plug also at the same time.